first I thought this was a locust, because I grew up in Maryland and cicadas only came out like every 17 years or something like that. But I guess when you live in Florida, cicadas are always around. And also locusts are grasshoppers. They don't even look like this, so I don't even know why I thought it was a locust. So now I'm curious as to what it's doing. I'm assuming that this cicada came out of the top shell, and I'm assuming that it's eating it, because that's like nourishment. Like frogs and lizards, they eat their skin because it provides nourishment. I'm going to do some research because I do find this fascinating. Look at those eyes. Hey buddy, hi! Welcome to this world. You have very pretty colors. I don't see your eyes moving, but I know you see me. Alright, well, enjoy.